Past 5 matches. But Gutherson says the trend hasn't
You're
been
a fucking
by
genius.
anyone in camp.
It's been a tough couple of weeks for us up here, but
I totally agree with you. Every time we hear the 11 o'clock report, we're getting a bit tight. We really need a roadway map out.
An unpleasant odours can start to take over. Panasonic Nano X air conditioners actively reduce both airborne and surface-based and odours in your home, helping you breathe easy.
been shortchanged by the government, so we're checking with one of their residents this afternoon as well.
And Scott, I'm curious to find this out because I know with the ECA being called off and with the ECA long weekend also, that public holiday on the Wednesday being called off as well, you can still get...
Obviously don't know what a red light is.
Which is good news because at least, I mean, the strawberry... What about
the... Interesting.
Line right away, dickhead!
Racetrack. And Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Honey, can you want this?
Yep. Hey Alexa, what a burger is good.
Jones with a handball. He goes to Oliver. Oliver's caught in the vicious tackle there by Blakely. Did well get rid of it. Fremantle turn it over and get it to Angus, to Andy.
Take him off, and as we've already spoken about with the injury toll they already do have, especially with the senior players. Message in the coach's box would have been if there's any sort of tightness, just get him off.
Well, you good luck, chum. Yeah. Oh, that's good. How do you not
Wonder and taste your way around the globe. Classic Crown is giving you the chance to win 20 grand and a Crown gift card valued at 2.5k. Visit Crown before June 23rd and find the code words for your chance to win. You might find one near a place that exudes opulence, glamour, and an incredible globally inspired menu.
You fucking donkey!
You fucking donkey!
With tronic gloves and electronic welding helmet, $6.99. The tool specials. The end of financial year countdown is on now.
Authorised by the state government.
Hi, automotive journalist Greg Rust here. Join me on the road with my podcast series, Rusty's Garage. I speak to automotive identities about the wheels they drove to get hooked on a life going fast. From first car experiences with things like Tiranas and Falcons,
Independent Sons by 9.9963.
We've got a couple of minutes here. Who were the main getters and stories out of that place?
It's North Melbourne.
Dave Brown had a couple of good weeks. Yeah, 2 good weeks. Okay, so he's got a level of comfort on it.
Get out of the way, mate. Fucking donkey!
You fucking donkey!
Fucking tosspot. Oh, get on with it! Fuck you!
Manufacturers have a huge range available, so that's not common anymore. Something with extremely dry eye, which is like sun damage. You fucking moron! The side of your eye as a result of sun damage.
Heaven, #1 for online vans and used sales in Victoria.
There's more quiet conditions around Melbourne, but extremely windy.
Right now, it's the opposite.
Get the guy who's like whole workplace there.
Yeah. Oh yeah! I just caught someone running a red.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
What the fuck? What are you doing? Whoa! Okay, He's run another red light. He's run another red light.
Didn't even look. And then went right through it 2 lanes.
It's going, Scotty! It's straight to Scotty that way. Yeah, Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know.
So don't tell Scotty, Scotty doesn't know, Scotty doesn't know.
Yo!
Thank you.
You fucking stupid! What are you doing, you idiot? You fucking idiot! You're trying to get yourself killed! Dumbass! Fuck off, you dumbass! It's on camera, mate.
Oh, it's so cute.